Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019, and if you need to remove rear tail lights, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. Very easy procedure, but there is one trick, otherwise you can break things guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And you guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can save a ton of money guys. So you will need to remove that tail light for multiple things, such as even replacing rear turn signal bulbs, park light, brake light, stop light guys, okay, for multiple procedures. So what you need to do, let me come and show you now here guys. Okay, we're going to come to this side. Okay, let's do it on this side. I think it will be easier so you can see it better. We're going to open that cap. Okay, just pull it right here where we actually have a belt here, so we'll pull it out of the way. You can see you have these two plastic things that you need to unscrew guys. So just go ahead and unscrew them. Okay, that's what's holding your tail light in place. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Let's go ahead and do that one too. Okay, removing the second one now. Almost there. Perfect, this one is out too. Now if we look, okay, scan and make sure that everything's good. I don't think we have more in that case. You'll see that the thread is actually stuck on the bolts a little bit to the metal, so you need to lift the tail light a little bit up. We're going to disconnect. Okay, let me show you disconnect that cable here, okay, by pressing inside. Okay, right here. Okay, give me a second to focus. Right here, you push it first in to release the pressure of the clip, you press down and you pull it out. Now the light guys, you grab it, okay, and you may have clips here and there. Okay, so let's see now if it's going to come out easy. So there is nothing else holding guys, but it may be stuck. Move it, wiggle it a little bit, grab with two hands, you need to come straight back. Don't pry with anything because you will break it. So wiggle it guys, wiggle. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. On the inside you can kind of like, okay, give me a second to push on the bolts a little bit. Okay, let's hold the camera. I'll try to grab it with two hands really strong. It looks like, okay, it's holding in a clip guys. Okay, this clip, okay, let me show you now. We're talking about that plastic clip right here, one over there, they attach one here, one over there. So tail light came out. That's how you guys remove it out of the vehicle. So practically putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to see how to do the one on the tailgate, on the lift gate, excuse me, we have the video on the channel as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.